Gemini, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is learning to love myself. You're unique. You're genuine. You're original. You're one of a kind. Leave your mark. Do not be scared to be yourself. Show up and show out with your gifts right now, because this is your season that I need you. The world needs you more than we can even imagine or even explain to you. I choose to see the beauty within me. My wealth lies in my nature and in my gifts. I transform my weaknesses into strengths, and I realize I'm a being of light and I allow myself to shine. The way that you love yourself, the way that you respect yourself, an example is the standard on how the world is going to love you, respect you, and actually cherish you. So make sure you cherish yourself and you're your biggest cheerleader. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.